liquor and the bowl, they've been numbing my soul from the pain that the world's put on me. But I know that upstairs there's an old man who cares, and one day, well, he'll set me free. I'll go on the whim, start writing the hymn that sounds so sweet. But the troubles and the sin of the world that we're in knock me back off my feet. I gotta get sober, I gotta start living right. Oh, I don't know how it's gonna go,